This summer, we spent day and night converting this retired ambulance into a custom DIY tiny home on wheels. We started with absolutely zero experience and got straight to work. We stripped it down, installed floors, a vent, cedar paneling, lights. We planned, shopped, we learned about solar power, paint, and materials. We made cabinets, a bed, a kitchen, benches, and now we're putting the final touches on this ex-emergency vehicle. As always, we're sharing the journey with you. Good morning. Today is a very exciting day because we are putting all the final touches onto the ambulance. Everything is functioning, working just fine, and now we've just got to make it look the way that we want it to look, really. And then it's done. So that's insane. And we are so excited. So let's get back to it. To show the van. I always forget my engagement ring and then I don't realize until I'm filming the videos. Okay, so today is not a very exciting day for us, but a day that we knew was coming. What day is it, honey?
We're getting rid of all the excess scrap, the guts of the ambulance, the old guts of the ambulance.
It's dump day. So we've been holding on to the guts of the ambulance all of this time because we've been using some things to repurpose in our build, but our build is finished. So we are getting rid of all the original ambulance stuff. So what can you do? Are you looking at my butt? And this is what we're dealing with. Good morning. So today we are going to get our insurance.
Ugh.
And we're really hoping that they insure this thing as a motorhome.
We're getting a vehicle inspection.
Oh yeah, that's what it is.
Vehicle inspection, and then we have to go weigh it, and then
we get the insurance.
Then we can get the insurance.
Yeah, so we really hope at the vehicle inspection that they insure as a motorhome. But this is our first time driving it because we have a day permit today.
Well, first time driving it since it's converted.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
So we are good to go. We're approved. We passed the vehicle inspection, which was like the only sketchy part, I guess you could say, even though
we're a bit nervous.
We're gonna pass. But that's like the only part, and now we can go get this thing weighed so that we know the gross vehicle weight and we can get it insured. What's this guy doing? And we can get it insured for that weight. Can you let me know if there's anyone coming there?
There's no one coming.
Sure?
Yep. Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, so we can know the weight, get insured for that weight. It definitely won't be overweight. It's like 12,000 pounds, 12,300 pounds this thing can hold. So, yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll go get it insured, get our plates, and then we can start our journey, of van life journey.
Yeah.
Last thing we need to do.
We are insured. We got our plates and we're putting them on now. This is like the craziest, weirdest feeling. We've been so busy for the past, for the past 2 months, a little longer than that. And yeah, it's done. It's just fully done. We're fully insured and we're good to go. So tomorrow is our niece's first birthday. We're gonna stick around for that, and then yeah.
We're out of here. I'll put these on at home. I don't have screwdrivers.
Okay. To new beginnings.